Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff, and Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays, and all of that good stuff that we're feeling today. It is Christmas Day, and I got my hat on, and it is too hot, but I'm wearing it anyway. Happy Holidays, everybody. And I just wanted to take a minute, show off some of what I managed to, I made out like a bandit again this year, in terms of stuff for the shop for Christmas that I got for Christmas. So let's have a look at my Christmas haul 2020 for the shop. I don't even know where to start. Let's start with Mike Pacovich. This book, it is my understanding that this book is going to change my woodworking life. Mike Pacovich is a woodworker. Right now he has just been, well, not just, but he was recently promoted to the position of editorial director for Fine Woodworking. And he's a fantastic woodmaker. He makes wood. He's a fantastic woodworker. And he's also the type of dude who has the right attitude about woodworking. And this book, by my understanding, is more about that than it is about actual, like, how to make stuff. It's about why we make stuff. It's actually called The Why and How of Woodworking. But I think it's more about the why than it is about the how. And I'm very much looking forward to reading this. What's next? I'm about 10 pages into this already. And I already know that I'm going to like it. What's next? Tweezers. I finally have a set of tweezers for the shop. And not just tweezers. Tweezers with a built-in magnifying glass, because we're all just getting little things stuck in our hands and whatever, and I cut them out with a knife, or you dig them out with an awl or whatever. But nice sharp tipped tweezers with a built-in magnifying glass for those hard to grab ones. Excited about these. China markers. I need to be able to mark my rough parts when I'm labeling them. And sometimes you're working on a dark wood and pencil doesn't show up well. So I wanted a white something. And I got a white and black. So that's fantastic. New set of darts. You might not think that a new set of darts is a shop thing. But I got a dartboard just over to my left. And I need a new set of darts. So I'm counting this as a shop thing that I got for Christmas. They're heavy too, 24 ounce. I normally throw about a 22. So we'll see. I might like these, I might not. But they're going in the dart cabinet. And that counts as a shop thing, because the dart cabinet is in the shop. Woo! I jingle. Look at it. Can you guys hear me jingling? Another thing that you might not think would count as a shop thing, but it does, is my new wine gums. Because this tin, it's not really a tube, well, it's a tube-like tin of wine gums, is going to go over in my PPE cabinet with my shop licorice. And then once I'm done with my wine gums, I'm going to use this. I'll probably paint it up and use it for storage for something in the shop. I don't know what. It doesn't matter what. This is my shop wine gums, and I'm happy about them. Tons of little rounds of hook and loop sandpaper, and little, if you guys know, if you guys have ever watched my my live show on Saturday nights over at the lathe, I've got some of these little pads that go in my drill. There should be hopefully, yeah, there is a little stem that goes on these, and then you use these little hook and loop pads to give it some squidginess so that it can conform to your shapes. And then I've got new sandpaper to go on them. And I'm not kidding you, this bag goes all the way from 60 grit up to 3,000. So yeah, my lathe stuff is going to be smoother next year than it was this year. And that is awesome. I don't know, there's probably only like 15 or 20. I think there's 20 of each grit. But I'm not going to go 60, 80, 100, 120, 180, or 150, 180, blah, 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 all the way up to 3,000. So these are going to last me a while, because I'll probably go Normally, I hope I don't have to start all the way down at 60 or 80. So one of these pads, this is at least like 50 lathe projects worth of stuff, worth of sandpaper right here. And I'm stoked. And we're moving on to the next thing. New roll of duct tape. Because everybody needs a new roll of duct tape. You need a new roll of duct tape right now. Go get one if you didn't get one for Christmas. We're going to move on to the big ticket items. The final couple of things. Nope, never mind. Spray lube. That sounds fun to say. Wait, does it? Is it fun to say spray lube? I don't know. Say spray lube. Let me know if it's fun. This anti-corrosion, anti-rust spray lubricant stuff is going to be a fantastic addition to the shop. I'm going to do all my cast iron tops, all my bearings and gears and things are going to get a squirt with this. I'm going to put it on the hinges of my truck doors. Spray lube. Third last thing on the list of my Christmas haul 2020. We're going to move on to the two things that I am possibly most excited about that are probably going to have the greatest impact in the shop in 2021. Well, I don't know. Spray lube is going to have a pretty big impact on the shop. So might Pacovich. But tools. There's two tools in the batch. Let's look at them. I am finally going to know that I'm square. Star it. Combination. Square. 12-inch Star It. It's my first Star It anything. And it glides so smooth in here. Like, you wonder sometimes whether spending the extra money on something when you've already got something that does that thing, or you could get a cheaper thing that does that thing. Star It makes a square, man. I will tell you that. I'm excited because this is going to replace like my $14 Empire square up in my kit. I'm going to hang it right now, actually. Oh, and it just so happens that my Empire is not in its spot, which is perfect. Because boom. Oh, Merry Christmas to me. All right, and the last, but certainly not least, item on the Christmas haul 2020 list is my new Veritas apron plane. I don't have the iron in it yet. Comes with a PMV11 iron to go in my little apron plane. That's gonna, I mean, it doesn't replace a block plane. Eventually I'll replace that block plane probably with a Veritas as well. But this little guy, I think, is gonna come in super handy. It's called an apron plane because you're supposed to be able to carry it around in an apron pocket without it bothering you. I'm probably not going to carry it around in an apron because I don't wear an apron. I might start next year, but we'll see. But this little guy is going to negate the need for this little guy. And it's, I mean, it's Veritas. So it's extremely well crafted. It's a quality plane. And it's another plane for my collection. You know where? It's going to go right here. Yes, it is. Yes, it absolutely is going to go right there. I don't know where I'm going to put Wax now. Wax can live up with that guy. All right. There we go. That's my Christmas haul 2020. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays. We will see you again tomorrow night if you want to come and hang out. Watch me turn something over on the lathe on Saturday night, 5:30 PST. If not, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye for now. I'm gonna go read some more Pacovich.